Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder keyboard not working. To know how to fix or how to solve keyboard not working, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list of apps, you will go to the window of Tinder. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about Tinder. If you will find your update, you can update your app, and you can also click here on your Wi-Fi to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.